Yeah, here we have a RongFu RF45 milling and drilling machine, 1 horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase. It appears to be unused, however it does have some shipping distress. We'll show you that in one moment. Most importantly, it does run, and we're going to just go and put it in a reverse position here. We'll pull out the E-stop, put it in reverse. As you can see, the spindle turns fine. We'll put it on the high setting, reverse, forward, change the gears a little bit here. We'll put it on the highest setting. Medium high. Go on the low. That's the lowest setting right there. It's basically a 6-speed geared head. So all the electrical functions appear to operate on it very nicely, and as well as some of the mechanical functions. You could bring the wheel down manually by turning this dial right here. This dial is broken off of here, so you have to replace that. Or you could just back this knob off right here. This knob's also, plastic knob is broken, but you can bring it down manually. So the cross feed and the longitudinal feed on the tables operate correctly. You can basically turn them by hand. It does move. However, the handles for the cross feed and the longitudinal table, they're missing. Okay, we have a little ding or a dent right here on the front panel cover on the corner of the case. Doesn't seem to affect the proper operation of the machine. Also, we'll come over here and show you that the control box cover has been damaged. You can try to fix it or replace it. The insides look good though. All the electrical components in there do not appear to be damaged whatsoever. A couple little paint scratches and scuffs mainly on the base of the machine, and there's a couple screws missing, 1, 2, 3, for the back cover plate. So you can see there's a couple small scratches, a couple paint scuffs, mostly cosmetic. The head goes up and down smoothly. So overall, mechanically, it's in pretty good condition. Everything appears to operate. There may be another issue that we're not aware of, but we really checked the machine out. We inspected it carefully, and everything looks good on it. As we stated, electrically, it operates very well despite the damage to the control box. And we thank you for looking at our product.